Welcome to another wardrobe and beauty update, and today it's a very special day because I'm trying out a new brand to me that actually reached out to me. So this part of the video is in a collaboration with OGL Move, and I'm gonna show you how much stuff I have to try on. Just a sec. These are all of the amazing items that, spoiler alert, I already tried them on just to see how they fit, if they're amazing or not. And honestly, I'm obsessed. You're gonna see I have so many amazing pieces in here to show you. And the reason I decided to work with OGL Move is because first, their items are really versatile. They have such a nice selection of basics, and honestly, when I find a clothing brand where like multiple items, I just wanted to share it with everyone. And then when it comes to the materials, they're really soft, really stretchy, and really comfortable, which is really important to me. And then lastly, this is actually a B Corp certified sustainable fashion brand, which is another huge plus for me. So obviously I cannot wait to show you everything. But first, I also want to introduce you to someone special that's sitting on the floor right now. Because I have some things for her as well. So meet my Leo sister. She's younger than me, but taller than me. So she also has some items because, as I've said, I really like the brand. And when I was looking at everything, I said, sister, you have to have a look and pick something, and you can also give us your honest thoughts. So we're gonna do a try on haul together today. And without further ado,
let's begin.
Let's begin. So the first thing that I wanted to show you, it's actually a skirt that my sister is wearing because I actually picked this skirt for myself and I got it in size small, but I felt it was just a little bit too big on me. So I'm gonna get the extra small, which I'm waiting, it's gonna arrive soon. But I said to my sister, why don't you try the size small and see how it goes? So the reason I picked this skirt is because it has the shorts underneath. And for me, there is nothing better than having a cute skirt where I don't have to worry about exposing myself. And I got this one actually as an upgrade for my sports skirt because even though I loved wearing this one in the winter, I could only style it with tops that were covering the sporty logos. That's why I wanted an upgrade where I can tuck my tops in fully, and this one is perfect for that. Plus, it's also from a thicker material, which means it's gonna be perfect for the colder days. And that is not all, because this skirt also has the pockets and a matching belt. This is the first item that I'm so excited about, but then more importantly, we actually picked the same dress that we both loved in two different colors that we're gonna try on now. This was choreographed, by the way. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this dress because I'm obsessed with it. It actually, again, has the pockets, which for me is just such a huge plus. And we actually both got the size small. And I would say that their website, when I was measuring everything, it's true to size, except like I said, for the skirt that we just showed you. For me, this one is the only exception that I wish I would go a little bit smaller. But everything else that I have in this haul, it's actually a size small. And yeah, what can we say? One thing that is special about this brand is they actually have the built-in bras in case you don't like wearing the bra. And my sister is actually without the bra right now. So you can see she's still supported, everything is covered up. I'm currently wearing a bra because I wanted to show you that if you're wearing a bra, you also get a nice little, I would say almost like a push-up effect. But let me do it without the bra so you can see the difference. So this is how it looks without the bra. You can see from the side, I still have a nice little support. And personally, I don't mind wearing a bra, but sometimes in the summer when it's really hot and you're sweating, I just prefer to have everything a little bit more breathable. And I also believe that the built-in bra pads are removable. So in case you don't like that look, you can easily remove them and you're just gonna have your classic dress, so you have more versatile options. So this is the stunning dress in a nutshell. And now I have another dress that I'm so obsessed with that I wanna show my sister because she hasn't seen it yet. I actually asked her to close her eyes so she can give me her first impression. But honestly, I think this is probably my favorite piece out of all. I mean, it's hard to decide because I love so many of them, but it's just such a win for me. And yeah, you can open your eyes and tell me what you think.
Ooh. Oh my god, are you going on a red carpet?
I mean, it's so nice because it's kind of casual. You have really nice casual material, but I still feel like a goddess. I feel like $1,000,000. I love the length of the dress. This one doesn't have the built-in bra, but it doesn't matter. And I love the material because it's not too thin, so it's still very flattering. And then the color, it's a 10, obviously. So yeah, another win. I'm so excited to wear. I think this one I can wear in the spring and then obviously in the summer. And now I have 3 pieces in this gorgeous red wine color that I'm gonna try on to see what I want to keep, because honestly I'm not sure if I need that many pieces in the same color. Plus my sister said that she likes the skirt. So this is the set they wanted to send me because it's really popular. So first we have the brami top, which is just a cami with a built-in bra that it's really versatile. And then of course we have the matching skirt that again has the pockets. When it comes to the sizes, I decided to go with a size small for my top, and then for the skirt I wanted to go for size extra small because there is so much fabric and I'm not that tall. But as I've said, I'm not sure if I would need a skirt like this in my collection. But my sister, she said, oh yeah, I want to try it on, because she was looking for something exactly like this. But first I also wanted to show you another top because I saw this one on their website and it's actually the same color. It's just a turtleneck without the sleeves, and you know me, I love the sleeveless turtleneck. But honestly, do I need 2 of the same? Probably not. So let me try this one on too to see how I feel, and then I can make my final pick. And now this is the turtleneck, again, really gorgeous. I kind of have trouble deciding, so let me know your thoughts down below. I think my sister, you prefer the first one.
Yeah, because I don't like turtlenecks.
Yeah, she doesn't like turtlenecks, but I mean, I love the sleeveless turtleneck. So this is probably the top I'm gonna choose because I can wear it in the spring, summer, and in the fall. And I just feel so put together when I wear it. But now you want to try this one on to see. Okay, let's do that. I think she should be a fashion influencer, but these are the last of the items. First, to my sister, you can see the joy on her face. She loves the skirt. She was like, I was looking for something like this, so this one is gonna go to her as well. She loves the color. And any last thoughts?
Well, thank you.
She's so grateful, and I'm so happy they were so generous with all of the pieces. And then for me, maybe you can tell that I have a new white turtleneck that has been on my wish list, and they actually have different thicknesses. So for this one I decided to go for the warmest one, which is actually really warm and much warmer than I expected. So just make sure when you're picking you go for the right warm for you. But for me this one is going to be perfect for the cold winter months, especially when I want to create the winter white outfits. But because I added this one to my capsule wardrobe, that means I'm gonna officially declutter the light gray turtleneck, because the only reason I kept it in my capsule wardrobe is because I was waiting to find something in a proper white color. And then another really warm piece that I'm over the moon with are the pants, because they're really thermal, they're really nice. You can see they're kind of in a lighter color. They look really professional, really smart. But again, they're comfy, they're warm, I love the materials, and I just love how they look. So these are the last 2 items from the selection. Let me know which one is your favorite, be it with me or with my sister. Just let me know your thoughts. And of course, I'm gonna link everything down below if you want to have a look. And with time, once I wear these items even more, I can speak more about longevity and the quality too. And now I finally have all of the pieces. I have the skirt in the smaller size and everything that you've seen before. So what I want to do today is I want to go into my spring capsule wardrobe and I want to add a few items from the new pile, and then possibly I want to take a few items out because I don't think I'm gonna need that much variety. And then I also wanted to mention that when it comes to the black skirt, as I've said, I got it in extra small and I much prefer it in terms of the length and the fabric, all of that. The only thing is the elastic is just a little bit too tight on me because I don't really have that kind of a slim waist. I'm more narrow, so I'm just gonna have to figure out how to just loosen it a tiny bit because it's not really that problematic. But yeah, I just wanted to mention the sizing and how it fits on my body. But this one I definitely want to put in my spring capsule wardrobe. And I just turned you around so you can see the bottoms drawer in action. I mean, you cannot really see that well, but it's gonna do. As I said, the skirt is gonna go in. The same goes with the belt that comes with the skirt. I don't think I'm gonna wear it with the skirt all of the time, but I just want to have it right here. And then what I'm gonna take out are my special occasion pants to put in my new special occasion capsule wardrobe, which I'm gonna show you in a second. But first I want to add my taupe pants to my capsule wardrobe because these are perfect for the transitional season. I already wore them 2 times and they're so comfy and they're really, really warm. I just love them. And I think this is my bottoms drawer finished now. I have the jeans that I'm wearing today and also my white jeans are in the wash. So in total I have 3, 5, 7, 10, 13, 14, 15 bottoms now. And now to the tops and dresses. The first thing that I want to add to my wardrobe is definitely the sleeveless turtleneck. As I've said before, this one is so amazing for the transitional season. So this one is going in, and also I wanted to mention that I took the bra inserts out for now because when it's still colder outside, I like to wear my bras, but then maybe in the summer when it gets really hot, I'm gonna add the bras back in. But then I think I'm gonna take this one out because I have so many this kind of themed cashmere jumpers in so many different colors. I also have a bright fuchsia pink one that it's in a wash as well that I don't have right here right now. So I feel this one can easily go out because for me the pink it's kind of more spring color and the orange it's kind of more of a fall color anyways. And now with the empty hanger, I have to add the new red dress. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna wear it considering the weather, but I just cannot wait to wear it, so I'm just gonna put it in. And as I like to do with all of my maxi dresses, I'm just gonna fold it. And then for my white turtleneck, this one is, as I've said, super thick, super warm, and it's not gonna be appropriate for spring, so I'm gonna put this one in storage. But then the last piece, the black dress, again, I'm not sure how much I can wear it in the spring because maybe this is more of a summer dress. I know in the summer I'm probably gonna live in this one because it's so comfy and so nice, but for spring I'm kind of debating if it's gonna be needed or not. I'm gonna go by my gut instinct and I'm just gonna put it in my spring capsule wardrobe. Even if I only wear it once, I'm gonna be happy about it because I love this dress so much, as I've said before, and I just love that it has pockets. And then also what I want to do today, because the weather is changing so rapidly, I'm gonna take my black and white long sleeve tops and I'm gonna put them in, because with this one, for example, I don't really see myself wearing it a lot anymore because, as I said, it's getting really warm. I'm gonna make a quick swap here. I actually wanted to wear this one, I don't know, 2 times already, so I'm definitely very excited. It's a bit wrinkly, but that's fine, it's gonna settle. And then my black long sleeve tee also, it's gonna go in. And what I have in its place right now that it's in the wash, it's pretty much just same design, just in a thicker material. So I would say a black crew neck jumper, and that is the swap that I'm gonna make. And also I think I'm just gonna take this one out because the weather is so much warmer. And honestly, I'm not really excited about this one for some reason. I think I wore it maybe once or twice already, but for me that's more than enough. So in total, I took out 4 items from my capsule wardrobe and I added 5. 2 of those I already owned and 3 are the new pieces. This is my spring capsule wardrobe updated. I'm so excited for all of the new items. I cannot wait to wear them, and of course for the weather to get even warmer. But now, as I've said, I want to take my special occasion pants to my special occasion capsule wardrobe. I just added the pants to the pile at the back, which, in case you're new here, this is my special occasion capsule wardrobe that I just created a few months ago, and I just have 2 pairs of heels, 1 bag, 2 dresses, and then 1 pants. And this is something that I have that it's just a little bit more unique and that I can easily mix with my main capsule wardrobe. But then I also wanted to show you the beauty empties of this month, as I usually do, but I'm completely shocked. It's the end of the month, but I have 0 beauty empties. I don't know how this happened. I actually thought I have a few, and when I opened the cabinet, I was like, ooh, okay, I guess I have nothing to show you here, but that means probably that next month it's gonna be just a little bit fuller. And then, sorry if I'm looking down, I have Bali right here because he's a little needy baby right now. He has the little donut because he cannot lick himself. Is that right? He doesn't like the donut at all. The plastic cone, he hated it, so we had to get him something different. But he just scratched himself, nothing serious, and then he couldn't stop licking himself, and then it got a little bit infected. So that's the story with Bali. And yeah, this is gonna be the video done. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it of course a thumbs up, and I will link my other wardrobe updates here in case you're interested. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I will see you next time.